They came into our home and they were just fighting. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday was Christmas and today is very cold because it was raining in the morning and I got a cold, so I have to use this warm clothes and muffler. So I'm in the middle of the jungle. I'm going to my uncle's house. The road that I'm taking now is very bad. I can't even walk and my shoes are all dirty. So along with my mother, I'm going. Look. Oh, look at my shoes. I have to go down from here. I'll show you the road. There's the road. I have to cross this, little jungle. So there is lots of bamboos here, and this is where my mother used to collect bamboo shoot. So that is the road. So I have to first cross this road and go down. Ami ba cô thử kia quay cái kia đấy. Kia là. Ya ha bị đeo sang đi cô đó. Ê kia được nó quay cái kia cô đó. In kia đó. They're mending the roads now. I think they're making it bigger. The thing that I really love about my hometown is that I can be here, I can go anywhere and explore the nature. So today I will show you around. So this is the place where I used to live. Used to be my home, but because of landslide, from there, because of landslide, our house were destroyed. So we have to leave this place. It is such a very nice place, fresh air, and it's very peaceful here to live here. And we used to plant vegetables and all, so we have water, we have vegetables, and we were so peacefully living here. But our house were destroyed with the landslide and water, so we have to leave this place and we sold out this place. So it is no longer my place now, but we have a little portion of land down there. So we give our uncle to live here, so they are living here and protecting our land. There is not much houses here, so it's very peaceful, away from the society and the people. I'm a very introvert person, so I don't like much interacting with people. I want to live alone. I want peace alone, so I reach here now. Really cozy and very cute. Ah, tên là gì? Tên là gì? Hey, mama tên là gì? Hey, tôi lihat kì nè. Tắt tem. Tem mà lo. Mami sang na nang ki. Hey mi. Nang ki lang tu ki soy da ni. Mami sang na. Ngồi y năng kì, cô gìn nó tắt tao à.
Đây nè.
Năng là chít chít mà.
Mày cắn cái gì cái lều của.
Dạ. Dạ đó, mấy cắn tên này mà nàng. Ê, mấy cắn tên này mà. I still remember this place. When we firstly moved here, we were so much in need of water because it is far away from the well, and you know, we need to go up to fetch the water and go that side. It was very far from us, the water. So my father, he dug the water out. From there I will show you. Before, it was full of jungle, and the pot were very small, even smaller than this. But we used to come here and we used to fetch water from here. The water here is very clean and very fresh. यहाँ ऊपर में egg and यहाँ पे था. But I think because of the rain and the landslide, see, it is the only water, but we can drink it. So people made, आदमी लोग ने यहाँ पे रास्ता भी बना दिया है. So before when we were living here, when I was young, I still remember we used to fetch water from here, and the people who were staying here in this colony, so they were, I should say that they were some people were very bad, okay? So they were not allowing us to fetch water from here and take bath. So they say there is one more water down there, a little bit far from here. So they used to say that the dirty water that we bought was there and it makes the water dirty, okay? But we know now that once the water gets inside, it will be filtered and there's no way that it will reach there, to pollute their water. But the complaint came, the people came from this colony, they came into our home and they were just fighting with our family, arguing with my family that we are polluting their water. So they just dug mud and throws water on our this small pond. We don't have any resource of water anymore, so we used to go to the far places to fetch water. It was very difficult for us. And then my father again dug the water out because it was very difficult for us. My mother is alone looking after us, my father is working, so it was very difficult. So my father again dug this small pond so that we can use the water. And now after so many years, they have made the pot here, so that I think they used to come from here and fetch water from here. I still remember because I'm not happy with their behavior. Still then, past is past and I think I should move on. But I think people should not should not behave like that. They should live in harmony, and if they're facing problem, they should come and talk first, but they just bumped into our house and they were arguing, and at that same day covered this with mud and stone. Their behavior, it doesn't impress me at all. But I hope water is very important for us, and living in a places like this without water is, early in the morning and evening we have to go far away to fetch water. So people should understand each other, no? I hope they have come to their senses now. If they destroy this place, if they can destroy without our permission, then they should ask before using this water also. Hít cổ ra đằng. Gay sandalye, very cold.
Giúp mình. Tuyệt cầm đi vào xuôi. Ôi tả tình hùng đi đi, cả tuyệt cầm đi vào.
Sir, sir.
Sir.
Hello.
Tên được rồi, có 2 quỷ. Đây rồi, mùi đúng rồi.
잘 쓰는 거야.
À, tôi đúng đấy.
왜 lại thằng nó hỏi?
Đây kì mô được thế này.
Anna, tu na pui de ti tong khai ya tu ko ni thoi.
Anh bảo lần thứ này càng người chứ.
Ai lên phá lại chứ. Như đang. Bye bye. See you next time.